Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I just received some new designs from the Washi tape shop. Lots of beautiful fall, florals, and some adorable dog images. And if you're shopping at the Washi tape shop, make sure to use my discount code KristieM10 to save 10%. In this video, I'll show you the designs I received, and in an upcoming video, I'll be using some of the new designs on some cards. This first design is called Pre-Cut Harvested Bloom, and I have the washi tape. It's also available in PET tape if you prefer that style. The difference is the washi tape is paper, the PET tape is plastic. The images and sentiments are all pre-cut, so they're super easy to use. The next roll is Pre-Cut Autumn Spice Washi tape. This roll and the previous Harvested Bloom are available individually, or you can purchase them as a bundle. Both rolls are 5 meters long, and the designs start to loop around 100 centimeters. I love the colors and designs on both of these rolls. Perfect for some lovely fall cards. This next design is Pre-Cut Autumn Hues, and I have the washi tape. It's also available in PET tape. This is another favorite of mine. I love the pumpkins, beautiful flowers. Another great collection for fall cards. And since everything is pre-cut, super easy to use. And the roll that coordinates with it is the Pre-Cut Harvest Script washi tape. It's also available in PET tape. So you have the full alphabet, all the numbers, plus lots of sentiments with beautiful leaves and flowers. And this roll, along with the previous roll, can be purchased individually or as a bundle. This next roll is a little different. It's called Pre-Cut Petals on Blanc. I have the PET tape sparkling. There's also PET tape without the sparkling. And it's really hard to see in the video, but this is absolutely gorgeous. It's covered in this lovely shimmery finish. And it is pre-cut, although it's all one long strip, but the two sides have this fun lacy border. The next roll is very similar, just a different design. Pre-cut Fleur de Lune. Sorry if I'm butchering that one. This one is also a PET tape sparkling, so it has that gorgeous shimmery look. You can purchase each of them individually or together as a bundle. This next design is Pre-Cut Rose Sonata, and I have the washi tape. It's also available in the PET tape style. It includes 5 meters, and the designs start to loop around 100 centimeters. The next roll is called Pre-Cut Violet Veil. I have the washi tape. It's also available in PET tape. Beautiful purple colors and tons of sentiments. This is a really lovely collection. The roll includes 5 meters, and the designs start to loop around 100 centimeters. Here's a look at the final set I received, and this all comes together. There are 4 rolls included. It's called Tail Waggers Washi Tape Sticker Set. This is only available in washi tape and as a bundle. You can't purchase the individual rolls. I also wanted to show how the washi tape arrives. It's all wrapped nicely in some cute pink tissue paper. The sticker rolls are just a little bit different than the previous washi and PET tape rolls that I showed. So you have the 4 rolls, and each one includes 5 meters. The designs do repeat a little more. So you can see the green dog on the right and then on the left. So there are 11 different images on this first roll. And I'll lay out all 4 so you can see the different dog images. If you love dogs, this may be the design for you. I'm a card maker, so I'll use the washi tape images and sentiments on cards, but these are also perfect for planners, journals, scrapbooking, any paper crafting options. So I'll get this third roll open. You can see more adorable dog images. And it's cute that all of the rolls also have little accessories. There's paw prints, bones, water dishes, little hearts. I think one of the dogs has the sentiment woof. I have one final roll to open. They are closed with a piece of clear tape. You just want to be careful when pulling that back so you don't ruin the washi tape sticker that it's attached to. And currently the tape is stuck to one of the dog images, but I was able to free it without tearing it. So here's a look at the final roll. More adorable dog images, and most of these are dressed up in little costumes or wearing hats and sweaters. Here's another quick look at the washi tape designs I received from the Washi Tape shop. If you are interested, I do have links in the description box below. And if you are shopping, don't forget to use my discount code KristieM10 to save 10%. Coming soon, I will be sharing a video using some of the new designs. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.